Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will discuss about components of MS Excel. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, this is a interface of Microsoft Excel. So today we will discuss about components of MS Excel. So first one is Office ribbon, second one is title bar, third one is scroll bar, fourth one is sheet tab, fifth one is status bar, and sixth one is cell. So these are six components of MS Excel. Let's discuss about them in detail. So first one is Office ribbon. As you can see, there is a ribbon in which you can see different options like file, home, insert, and page layout. Basically, these options are called tabs. So we can pronounce them like file tab, home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, etc. Every tab has different groups in it. As you can see, in home tab there are clipboard group, font group, alignment group, number group, styles group, cells group, and editing groups. In these groups you can see different functions. So you can use them according to your requirement. So that is all about Office ribbon. Next one is title bar. As you can see at the top of the page, this bar is known as title bar. So whenever you save your file with any name, the title bar shows that name at the top of the page. So this is the work of title bar, and at the left side of title bar you can see there is a bar which is known as quick access toolbar. In quick access toolbar you can access different functions by just on one click. So this is very helpful. Next one is scroll bar. Scroll bar is basically used to scroll your page. You can see there are two type of scroll bar: vertical scroll bar and horizontal scroll bar. With the help of these bars you can move your page up and down and left and right. So it is a very useful component of MS Excel. Next one is status bar. Status bar shows us the status of our Excel file. As you can see, ready. So ready means the sheet is ready to do some work. Whenever we type, it shows us that we are working on our Excel sheet. Whenever you edit something, then it will show that we are editing something on our Excel sheet. So this is the work of status bar. Next one is sheet tab. As you can see, there is a sheet 1. So it is a by default sheet. You can also access more sheets by just clicking on this icon, this plus icon. After clicking on this plus icon, you will get another sheet with name sheet 2. So you can add many sheets according to your requirement. You can also rename them by just double clicking on them, or you can move them according to your requirement. Sheets are just like a page. So as we use different pages in MS Word, so you can use different sheets for your different work in MS Excel. Next one is cell. Cell is basically the boxes in our worksheet are called cell. Each and every box is called cell. So, as I said, all these boxes are called cell, but there is a box. This is active cell. So it means whenever you click on any cell, then the cell called active cell. Every cell in a worksheet has its cell address. As you can see, K6. It means K6 is the cell address of this cell. So how can we get the cell address of any cell? It is very simple. You just have to see the row and column of that particular cell. So as you can see, the column of this cell is K and the row is 6. So the cell address of this cell is K6. So you can easily identify the cell address of any cell very easily. So these are our main 6 components of MS Excel. But we have one more component, which is formula bar. A formula bar shows us all the data which we enter in a cell. So it is very useful for formulas. With the help of formula bar, you can easily type or you can easily edit any formula. So this is called formula bar. I hope it's clear now. So that is it for today, students. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.